Hi guys, welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. This is Cocktail Club, and I'm Alex. It's usually the other way around. Tonight we're going to be doing park drinks. Some of the pubs are open. It kind of still feels a little bit weird unless you've got somewhere with a huge outside area. Like, I know I personally am not super comfortable being in pubs at the moment. I'm still drinking in the park. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make some good drinks that you can drink in the park rather than just cans. And so what you need to do, there's a little bit of prep involved. A litre sized bottle. You fill it up about a third with water, lie it on its side in the freezer, and you get a lovely icicle. With the icicle in there, I think most of the drinks we make in this size glass, it's about 250 ml of drink. So we're going to work backwards from that, probably fit 3 of them in here. We're going to start with a Fawlty Collins, which you can see in a previous episode on this channel. It's a drink that I've invented. It's like a basil-y, ginny affair. And we're also going to do Captain Terry's, which is a really simple drink. It's very Fanta forward. It's got a little bit of spiced rum. It's got some bitters in it. It's a really nice drink. We're going to start with the Fawlty Collins. And the parts of the Fawlty Collins that you typically measure are the gin, the basil syrup, and the lemon juice. You have about 50 ml of gin, 15 ml of basil syrup, and 15 ml of lemon juice. That's 80 ml. So we'll do 3 of those, which would be 240 ml, which would be when you take that away from the 750 ml, which is the total that we're putting in there for 3 drinks at 250 ml each. Means that we'll put 510 of soda on top of that. 3 doubles all over the table. Probably making more of a mess trying to use the funnel. But whatever. Well, let's just do a double. And 45 of the lemon. And then we're going to do 510 or thereabouts of soda. And the reason I'm measuring this rather than just topping it up is because I'm not sure how much space is in the bottle. I didn't measure the water that went into the ice, so I didn't want to top it up and then find when I get to the park that I've actually made a really watery, boring drink. And it turns out we've guessed our water perfectly. And what you're looking for in a park drink is something that's quite fresh, that hasn't got a lot of garnish to it. So like, you wouldn't use an old-fashioned in this situation. And we'll just give that a few turns over. I mean, it's probably going to get shook up in your bag on your way to the park anyway. But there you go. That's 3 Fawlty Collins ready to go when you get to the park. I'd recommend taking glasses, but I mean, you do you. If you want to swig from the bottle, you swig from the bottle. Okay. Ice that I've prepared earlier, and we're going to do a Captain Terry, yes, a Captain Terry's Captain Morgan's chocolate bitters Fanta orange. So you've got Captain chocolate orange, and it really does taste like chocolate orange. So we're going to make a version of that with what we've got here today. We're going to use red leg, which is very similar to Captain Morgan's. It's spiced a little bit differently. Angostura bitters, because we've got them. So we're going to work on the assumption that I'm going to fit 3 250 ml drinks in this bottle. 3 doubles of the red leg spiced rum. You'd probably put about 4 dashes per drink, maybe 500 ml of half a litre of Fanta. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there you go, 2 delicious summery drinks that you easily transportable. And on that note, I'm going to take these, stick them in my bag, and I'm going to head to the park. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, please consider liking and subscribing. All the buttons are down below. There's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen right now. Cheers.